wonder why I'm showing off my Fujitec elevator button. Here we come to the elevators at Granite at Sugar Creek Building in Sugar Land, Texas. And look what we got here. That's right. We got some Fujitec elevators to ride. This is gonna be a much more better take on this elevator. I really need an updated take on this thing. All right, that'll stay. 8's locked. 7 works. I really wanted a better take on these elevators. I finally got a chance of doing so. These are Fujitec elevators from 1999. Get on one. That is why I'm holding my Fujitec elevator fixture as an opening signature. Go for one ride on this. Door goes one works. I love that. We're gonna go look at an intermediate station. That's a big call station right here, but as you can see, it matches the same exact fixture. All right, let's go back down. And we got the same elevator car. All right, back down to 1, we'll end there. I'm surprised that these are not as busy. There it goes, and that's it.